Step 4. Contact us. Let's start a conversation. At Cope Construction, we make it easy for you to connect with our team and start the process on your home repair, improvement, renovation, or new construction project. We have a dedicated office staff standing by to answer your calls weekdays 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon. And you can reach out to us on Facebook Messenger 24/7 through our business page. If you're tired of contractor after contractor not returning your calls or answering their phone while driving, or they got saws and air compressors and nail guns banging in the background, grab your phone and reach out to our team. With a full staff in the office, we rarely miss a call, but if all of us are on another line when you reach out to us or you catch us outside of the office hours, leave us a message. We promise to get back to you within a business day, and typically, calls and messages are returned much sooner. When you reach out, we're going to ask you for your address, phone number, email, and some details about your project. We're also going to ask you to send us a couple of photos, and we'll talk more about that up next in step 5 of our process, the virtual estimates. Sometimes we get asked why we only promise to answer the phones between 9:30 and 2, so I'll let you in on a little secret. Our administrative team and our office staff are typically in from 8 to 4, but the first 90 minutes of the day is typically spent returning phone calls, emails, and Facebook messages that came in overnight and making sure that their crews have everything they need for a successful day on our projects. The last 2 hours of the day are typically spent working on bookkeeping, invoicing, and scheduling as our field staff call in to update us on their progress and to let our team know what they're going to need for tomorrow. So the best time to connect with us is weekdays, Monday through Friday, typically 9:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. The second question we get asked a lot is, can we send photos via text? Sadly, our business phone system functions more like a landline than a cell phone, so texting is not a reliable way to try to reach our office staff. But Facebook Messenger scratches this itch pretty nicely, and it handles photos really well. So if you love texting, try connecting with us there. We'll include a link in the description of this video. So there you have it, lots of great ways to connect with our team. We can't wait to learn more about your project. Let's start a conversation so that we can provide you with a ballpark via our virtual estimate system. That's step 5. Click the next step, and let's keep rolling.